Hey guys, this is Barry with FaO&x Outdoors with another unboxing video. So I have a scooter, and don't worry, I'm not driving it. But it's a Blutron One Plus S65, which is their bigger model. They have a 40 as well. This is $600, $5.99 on Amazon. I'll put the link down below. One thing I wish is if the e-bike community and the electric scooter company will just get together and make one awesome vehicle, because scooters have some of the best apps out there where you can lock it, it has theft protection, it tells you your battery, all these different things. Not a lot of there has been some their apps for bikes, but they're not really good. If you look at them, they got a 1.9, 2.5, they're glitchy, blah blah blah. But the scooter industry has just really perfected the app side of it. So just my little salt box, or whatever you want to call it. This says it's got a range of 40 miles. It's a 15 amp hour, 332 volt battery. I don't think 40 miles is really how far it's actually going to go. It's already getting hot, and it's like 11:30. It's 500 watt with 800 peak. It's heavy. It's like 40 pounds. The last one I did was like almost 60 pounds, but it had a bigger motor and blah, blah, blah. You can adjust the speed. It's got a very bright headlight. It's got dual brakes. When you hit the brakes, it actually puts plates down to slow both tires down, which is pretty cool. But yeah, let's just get into it. Let's open it up. So when I received it, it did already have damage, which again, it has nothing to do with the company, just the shipping side of it. It looks like something was over top of it. There's damage on both sides here. But if you open it up, it doesn't look like a lot of damage. It looks like there's some damage right here on this foam, but it's well packaged. Let's open this bad boy up. Boom. Let's see what's inside here. So this is you can pump your tires. It gives you some screws, an Allen wrench, and they have blue Loctite on there, which is on the screws, which is awesome. And I think this is probably the charger. Let's look at this charger. There's no fan on it, and it is a 2.5 amp, which is pretty awesome for a small little scooter. Let's see how hard this is to put together. Come on. Well, I've done some, my mother-in-law and father-in-law love camping. They do camping, like camp hosting and stuff, and scooters are really popular. Get out of here. Which was, shocking to me. When I'm in, campgrounds, you just assume like golf carts or whatever, but now that, you notice when you get a new truck and then you start driving it and you see all these trucks, the same truck on the road. Since I've done that, these couple of scooters, I'm noticing a lot more scooters and campgrounds. This is gray. This is a fairly new company. They reached out to me. It's at Amazon, and they're wanting to help them grow their brand. Told them, yeah, I wouldn't mind helping them. So let's see here. Let's put this out. Little metal. That's nice. The last one was plastic. Let's look at it real quick. Come here. Scooters are really simple to put together because they're pretty much all together already. So we've got a little plug-in. We'll need a plug. It's probably for the battery. There it is, right in here. Boom. That's plastic. Is it plastic? Yeah, it's plastic. And let's see here. Should have an arrow of some kind. It does have a little indicate, like a little knot. There it is. I got it. All right. And well, I put that on wrong. You see that? So I've got to take this back off. Ugh. I'm saying this ain't hard. I promise you it's not. I just did this wrong. Got to line up those little knots. Oh, there is arrows. They're just really faint. All right, let's push this little wire. So there's 4 screws, and this is where the screws come involved. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just dump these right here. There's quite a few more screws than that. So there might be a. So these are the tires that don't go flat on you. We're going to put these screws here. There's 4 of them, and I appreciate they put Loctite on the. Is the hole lined up? Might have to give it a little bit of pressure. Let me see here. Come on. Got it. Yeah, you just got to put a little bit of pressure on it. It wasn't really lined up. Sorry for the noise, the AC. Come on. There we go. Again, this isn't hard. It's just lining these little screws up. And I'm not tightening them all up just yet. Now there is, isn't there? Yeah. There it is. It's got a little clip on the back where you can make this, where you can just pick it up. If you're strong enough to pick up 40 pounds. Now that might, to some people might seem strange, but 40 pounds is, pretty heavy. Boom. Once we get this built, we'll go in and activate the app on it and see how easy it is to use. This isn't scripted. I never script any of my stuff, so if you ever watch any of my videos, if I screw up, it's right in front of the camera. LOL. But we're just going to, I might edit out the like wait, so you're not having to wait for things to download, or that might be boring. All right, so we've got that. They gave us 4 extra screws. That's not abnormal. We had 4 extra screws on my last one. I do want to show you this. It does have this little clip right here. You take this, drop it down, and then you can lift this straight up. Let's lift this up. Boom. Really simple, and we'll clap that down. And we'll pick this up, drop it on down. Let's see. Short press for the headlight, long press the power on and off. So okay, so I held it for a long press to turn it on. So in a short press to turn the light on. That's telling me this stuff right here. Short press, change mode. Long press for cruise control. This is for the settings. Let's turn that off. Double press for the setting bar. Let's take this off. This is gives you the information right on here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I'm going to put that right there. It says so that when I got it, the battery is not fully charged. It's already set for what I understand, like mile per hour and miles and stuff. A lot of them will be set for, what's it, kilo. Shows you your power, how much power you're using. All right, so let's look at how to do the app. The warranty, let's see, dash, assemble, charge, maintenance. So 12 is the app. So page 12. All right, go to Apple and download the Blutron. So that's what we'll do. Boom, boom, Blutron. Is that correct? Yep, that's it. We'll download that. It needs to see my face. We'll put this right here. See how easy it is without reading the instructions. Can you see that? So this will take a minute. You don't have to watch all this. Gotta get in the AC. It's already 78 degrees in the shop. It's loading. Yeah, I've got R13 in the walls and R19 in the ceiling, but I mean, this thing is not sealed at all. It's just a barn. All right, so we're back. So let's hit open, agree, sign up, American. Let's see, some of this information is private. Verify email address. So it's gonna send you put in your email address, and it's going to send you an email. So let's wait and see what that looks like. So they sent me this. So copy, and oh, it already puts, nice. You go, Apple. Delete after use. Yeah, delete after use. I need to put a password in. Put my password in. Go to app. Continue. Okay. Allow notifications. This is for more for like theft or anything like that. Done. Add device. Continue. And turn my Wi-Fi on. Done. Add. Allow. Plus. Nice. So this is making noise now. I'm hoping that you can see all this. Boom. All right, added successful. Done. So this came to me with 9.9 miles. Nothing on the trip meter. We can lock it. Nice. So this thing's locked now. Let's unlock it. Auto headlight. See that? Cruise control, confirm. So it does have cruise control. All this information's on. Lights on. Let's go back home. Turn off cruise control. Energy recovery. 0 cycle. It tells you how far you have gone. Help locate distance and plan a route. Oh cool, it has a little route planning thing. Vehicle information, battery. So we're at 40%. Huh. Just really cool. I like that. And you do a long turns it off. I like this. It's short wheelbase, which is always a little nerve-wracking for me if you move around. I don't dislike scooters. With this being electric, you just push the button and go, which is really cool. So if you want one of these, I'll put the description below. Thank you Blutron for sponsoring this video. And if you like more of this stuff, hit the notification bell, and it'll tell you when I come out with new videos. I appreciate y'all, and I'll talk to y'all later.